Stuck with a blank page? Here's how AI can turn one idea into unlimited content. Most creators guess what works online. AI actually tells you what people want.
All you need is one idea and AI does the rest. AI instantly turns your idea into a complete script. See how the AI is generating these visuals in real time. And just like that, complete. Look at all these options. This tool can create all your marketing content automatically. Subscribe for more AI tips. Let's grab this clip and drag it into the timeline. Now let's add a smooth transition between them and hit play to see the magic happen. It's that easy. Subscribe to see more.
One idea, multiple platforms, zero manual work. Subscribe and automate everything. AI even suggests the titles that people actually click. Subscribe for proven strategies.
Captions, hashtags, descriptions, all automated by AI.
Everything is scheduled and ready to post automatically.
Watch engagement and growth happen on autopilot. Hit subscribe for growth hacks. Your content is monetization ready. As your views increase, so does your income effortlessly. Subscribe now to get the tools and tricks to make this happen for you. All AI systems connect into one complete workflow. Subscribe to see the full system.
No stress, no burnout. Let AI do the heavy lifting.
One idea can now turn into dozens of videos and posts. One idea can now turn into dozens of videos and posts. Subscribe to scale faster. AI finds trending topics people are already searching for. Subscribe to never run out of content. Look at these results. Content multiplied, engagement skyrocketing. Start turning one idea in unlimited content today. Subscribe to AI Leverage Hub and master AI systems for beginners.